Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. This is a beautiful 17 Montauk Boston Whaler 2019. It is a classic tan hull. It does have the fishing package, cooler seat, rod holders. This boat was redesigned in 2018. It does have a internal fuel tank of 25 gallons. They made the beam a little bit bigger, made the boat a little bit longer. And when doing that, you do have the option to have a 90 horsepower, which is your standard engine, or a 115. This boat does have the 115 horsepower. Great boat for fishing, cruising, water sports. It's the classic 17 Montauk Boston Whaler. For more information on this fantastic boat, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.